the OnePlus 7 Pro here on my Project 13, and I am super stoked to share this smartphone with you through the reviewing process, because officially right now the reviewing process has begun. So do me a favor, down below in the comment section, please leave some feedback. What would you like me to do during the reviewing process with the OnePlus 7 Pro? I already know what I want to do. I got to make sure it works as a phone. T-Mobile, my carrier, I got to make sure the connectivity is strong. Phone calls going out, coming in, texting going out, coming in. Yeah, that's got to be there first. And then we can get into battery life, performance, functionality. Going to be taking lots of pictures, shooting lots of video, doing some speaker comparisons, pic comparisons, video comparisons, vlogging, you name it. I'm going to do it, but I want to know what you want from me, and I'll do my best to get to it. Okay, I'm going to do my best. I just appreciate all of you coming by and checking out this video and supporting my Project 13. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be holding this device in hand and sharing it with all of you. There is one other area I wanted to get into before I cut this video off. We're going to go in and listen to some music here and listen to the dual speaker setup that we now have on the OnePlus 7 Pro. Up top, the earpiece doubling up as a speaker. Down below on the right hand side, speaker. USB Type-C. You got a mic right in there and your SIM tray right there. Selfie cam. You got another mic right over there. It's kind of hard to see, but trust me, it's there. I'm going to tell you right now, those speakers are definite, man. They are bold. Cannot wait to do some speaker comparisons with the OnePlus 7 Pro up against a few of my other smartphones that have dual speaker setup. All right, everybody, that is it. Stay tuned for more with the OnePlus 7 Pro. God bless. Peace. I am out.